we're good. All right, ready to go for some buildings? You here, Josh?
Damn. All right. Oh
Okay.
yeah, dude. Jesus Christ. Drive us. We have to drive to the blue, dude. It's in the bottom left corner of the map. Is where the circle is.
I gotta try to freak out as many people as possible between here and there.
I want to ride my bicycle. Were you gonna drive on the road?
Hell no. We can
Straight
go
through
through
this
cities.
This is ridiculous, by the way. Just force our way through the building.
Forced entry.
Sounds like rape.
I wasn't paying attention. Can't go through mountains. Oh, there's a Jeep. That's way better than a bike.
Yeah, pull over and let's grab this fucking Jeep. I know they're shooting like right next to it, but like,
Yeah, but that's
pull
fine.
over. Yeah. Fuck
Alright.
that shit. Let's go.
Let's go into these buildings over here.
There is a bike parked up in the hill.
That's fine. Where we're going, we don't
Oh.
need bikes. Yeah, it's
We're getting
fine.
shot at.
That's fine. They're gonna be real confused whenever they just see us phase into this building.
They were like, what the fuck? Oh god! Oh god! Okay. Are we getting, what are we doing? Stop. Pull over.
Okay, getting out or
Stop,
what?
stop. Oh. Okay, yeah, this is good.
Okay.
It's actually not good at all. Oh,
Get
never
in?
mind, the Jeep's getting... Okay.
Can you get in?
I'm good. I'm good.
Are there more buildings we could go to after this?
I don't know if the Jeep's gonna fucking survive. It sounds like it's getting fucking molested down here.
On my screen, it's fine. I'm pretty sure that's all that matters. Can you get in?
I probably could, yeah, why?
I don't know, it's fine. I don't want you to. I'm just curious if you could. I'm afraid to get out of it.
There's no way there's no way people don't hear that, by the way. You can just hear the Jeep freaking the hell out. It stopped, and that worries me.
According to what I can see, the Jeep is fine. Wait, I hear the front door maybe. Okay, where's the circle? Are we in it? Dude, we're
We are
in
in
it.
it. I can just hear the Jeep quietly freaking the hell out. There's no way in hell I'm gonna pinpoint where any of these shots are coming from, by the way.
Should I move?
No. Stay there. Please stay there.
Does it do anything for you?
Sounds like you're breaking the Jeep.
It's not taking on damage right now. I've got the Jeep facing the front door.
Somebody walks in. Hey, how's it going?
Just wait a second.
That's fucking great.
This needs to be patched like real fast. There's not multiple doors into this place, is there? Just the one, right?
There's two.
Oh god, somebody came up behind me and I wouldn't even know it.
I think. Let me check. Can't fucking see it. Oh god, I got hit by the car. Fuck it. I got.
If you get down him, there's no guarantee I can revive you.
I got close to the car and I got fucked. So I'm just gonna back away from the car. Oh, I see a guy. Should I take a shot?
Nah, let's wait it out.
I got a really good shot on him.
Okay, take it. I don't give a shit.
They just moved.
Oh god, that was close.
Yeah, I don't like that.
I'm downstairs to get in the vehicle.
I can see a guy. Eh. We're still in the circle, so.
Yeah, it hasn't moved yet. It's about to.
Oh, there's a dude fighting. Dude fighting another dude. Oh! Hey, they
Hey,
all
we're
died.
still in the circle.
Dude, I just that person that you told me not to shoot at, right? I just watched everybody there die, and I have no idea why.
Point me to him, Cap.
Oh, I got him! I fucking got him! He was resting his buddy, and I picked him off.
Oh hey!
Oh god!
They're shooting my Jeep! I got my tires!
Don't worry, I'm downstairs. You and your fucking Jeep. Please don't hit me with that Jeep, by the way.
It's
Be
really
aware of
hard to
where I'm at.
control with one no back tire.
Just please be aware of where I'm at.
Yeah, I see you. Just cause some disarray with the horn. They had to have been like right outside because they just shot my tire. They didn't do... Can I get out and heal? Is that a thing? You want to book it to the other side of the circle?
No, I prefer to stay here, actually.
Okay. What can I'm gonna try to get out and heal. This could break me. Oh no. Oh no.
What's going on?
The Jeep.
What?
Get away from it. Just get away from it.
Is it on fire? Oh god.
I don't know what I've done to it. Just know that it's not good.
Getting away.
I can't get in it. Okay, I'm in it. What? I can't. Oh, can I heal? Oh my god, I can heal while I'm inside the Jeep. That's the only way I
Yeah.
can heal.
You can do that?
100%.
I don't know who shot you, and I don't know from where, so...
I don't have much control of this Jeep since it lost a wheel.
It's good.
All I know is they lit this thing up. I'm not sure that I'm in the circle. Hold on.
Oh, we are.
Yeah, but I'm not sure that I am.
No, you are in the circle.
Okay. I'll take your word for it. Is that you moving? I hear
walking around.
somebody besides you.
Shit.
Just outside.
Should I?
So
Should I
we
get in?
So yeah, why not get in?
Oh god. Okay. Go. Please go.
One wheel action activate. Wait, there's a big hill here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're hoofing it.
Worth it.
It was worth it.
Oh my god. He just exploded. I should have got out. I should have realized that was happening. Oh my god, that is great.
I shouldn't have got out of the vehicle. I tried getting out.
Alright, that's fucking great.
I'm done with PUBG now. Oh god.